The joys of owning a tzr250 3MA. So when you want to work on the carbs, you've got to strip half the bike down. Why am I doing this, you might think? Well, this morning I got up, I put all the gear on. I was looking forward to a good ride on the bike after it's all been tuned. Been on the rolling road, happy with the results, so I wanted to see what it could do. Took it down the road, I was flying along, I was loving it. Went down to my brother-in-law's house, he lives a few miles away, and just before I got to the estate, it decided to start running like a bag of shit. So what the problem is you've got these filters here on the carbs, and this one on the left carb, I don't know if you can see, but it's absolutely, there you are, it's absolutely full of shit. I'll whip that out. So I've got that little filter out there, looker. You can see it's absolutely rammed solid full of shit. Look at that. No wonder it wouldn't run. Filter's now all clean, back in the carb and a new fuel pipe fitted. Carbs are now fitted back to the bike. Time to put this lot back on. I've got that lot all back together now and I'm just filtering the fuel through from the tank. So this is a paint strain filter and it's running through an inline filter there. So once that's gone through, I'll filter that then back into the tank. The fuel's now been filtered and put back in the tank. Just got to put the coolant back in now and then I'll give it a run up. Time for a quick cup of tea. And if you don't know who this man is, you should. Google him on YouTube and watch the videos, he's fucking awesome. That's sorted, time to get the fairings on. Fairings are back on, so I guess there's only one thing left to do now. Well, I think it's safe to say problem solved. Time to have some dinner and a beer.